Hey everyone, my name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to use a thesaurus in Microsoft Word. So here I am, I'm on my home ribbon tab, and I have this short sentence. I'm excited. I'd like to replace excited with a different word, a more interesting word. Navigate up to the review ribbon up here on the middle of your screen. Click on review. And then on the left-hand side, you'll see next to spelling and grammar, there's an ABC check mark. Right below it is your thesaurus. It's the book with the red and black letters on it. If you click on that, you will have the thesaurus pop up on the right-hand side. Now, my word was highlighted. If yours wasn't highlighted, it won't give you the words automatically over here, but it's really simple to go back and highlight and do that. Two other ways to simply get the thesaurus to pop up in Microsoft Word is to simply highlight your word and right-click and scroll down to synonyms. You'll notice there are the generated most popular synonyms, and if you go all the way down, mine is checked because it's already open, but if yours wasn't open, it would open up on the right-hand side. And you'll notice there's also a shortcut. So on a MacBook operating system, the shortcut to pull up the thesaurus on Microsoft Word is simply to do Control, Option, Command, R, and there you have it, the thesaurus popped up on the right-hand side. So you can scroll through, there's antonyms, synonyms, and choose from a word there. I hope this video helped you learn how to use the thesaurus tool in Microsoft Word. If this video is helpful, please give it a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and I'll catch you in the next video.